All right, we're gonna start with this elephant. And first, I want to stress that there is no right way to do this. You're gonna see this totally different than I do. I'm just giving you an example. Okay? So sometimes we won't exactly see shapes. And instead of drawing curved lines, we're gonna draw straight, choppy lines. That way we can kind of manipulate them a little bit at a time to get our final piece. Also, I know this is not ideal to draw on this PDF because you don't have a lot of control over it, but I promise things like this will be easier once you install the Adobe app, but I know most of you have not yet, and that's why I'm showing you how to do this in Canvas. All right, so you start by selecting this up here. It's gonna give you a pen. You're gonna choose this one, and then you can adjust the size by sliding this. You can also change the color, but I like to stick with blue. Okay, I'm gonna start with the trunk. All right, so let's start down here. And this is kind of like a rectangle. Okay, then I'm just gonna keep blocking it off. And then this one becomes more circular, but I'm gonna stay with my straight lines. All right, this up here, I can see a circle pretty easily there, so I'm gonna go ahead and draw that circle. Okay, the ears are gonna be a little tricky because you can kind of see a triangle, but not completely. So we're just gonna etch these out with these little lines. So we're following the curve, but we're following it with a straight line. Okay. You could draw a little diamond shape there if you want to. Okay. These are pretty clear rectangles. You don't have to box this in if you don't want to. Totally up to you. All right, we're going to etch out the outside, still using our straight lines. And the reason we're doing that is because it's going to be much easier to change just a little piece when you're ready to transfer it to paper than like getting this perfect curved line. Like you're never going to get that perfect. So that's why we're doing this. All right, let's finish up here. Oh no. Okay, so that's basically what you're doing. If you want to go with all shapes, then you do all shapes. If you want to do all etches with these straight lines, then you do that. Totally up to you, but I'm going to teach you next week how to transfer this to paper so you can actually draw out what you see. Okay, so do this however you see it and then submit it.